The world is changing at an accelerated pace like none of us have seen before. Today, we are going through interesting yet challenging times. People movement and displacement, shifting financial and economic landscape, and our general day-to-day lives have been interrupted in ways that many of us are ill-prepared for. But in the midst of these challenges are great opportunities waiting to be explored, and online entrepreneurship is one of the biggest opportunities out there. Amazon, Alibaba, Lazada. These mega companies have seen the potential of online business and built empires around it. But there is one industry that many believe can truly benefit everyone who is facing practical financial uncertainties: direct selling. Direct selling is a proven and legitimate business model that allows any person to conduct business from anywhere in the world with basic internet access. Get compensated for promoting and distributing products and services, and all this for far less cost than a traditional business setup. The perfect partnership between the internet and direct selling has propelled this industry to generate an estimated global sales of over $200 billion in 2019, with more than 120 million people in direct selling around the world. One company that is taking the lead in what many people refer to as a recession-proof industry is QNet. The Hong Kong-based company has boldly predicted back in 1998 that the future of entrepreneurship no longer lies in traditional businesses. Rather, it will be a home-based business where anyone, anywhere in the world, can promote retail products and services from companies like QNet and earn a respectable income to support their families through a residual income, especially during tough economic periods. QNet today is regarded as one of the world's fastest-growing direct selling companies, offering the best products in the right business that is supported by a robust compensation model. Powered by e-commerce, QNet enables its distributors to conduct borderless business, from homemakers to corporate professionals, part-time gig economy workers, from baby boomers to millennials. QNet is serving millions of distributors and customers globally through products that are designed to help people live healthier and elevate their lifestyle, and a proven, sustainable business model that helps people augment their livelihood. As the employment landscape continues to evolve dramatically, more and more people are becoming open to the idea of alternate income sources and self-employment, and no other company is more prepared and agile enough to offer personal growth, a proven solution to the growing unemployment and underemployment crisis around the world, and increasing women entrepreneurship in emerging markets.